मैम।
ओके, तो क्या पढ़ने वाले थे हम आज? क्या क्लास था आपका? याद है किसी को? यस
क्लास
Ma'am, in class, I will learn about how to use mobile phone.
हाउ टू यूज, वो तो सबको पता है मोबाइल फोन, हाउ वी यूज। आप लोग सब तो माहिर हो मोबाइल फोन यूज करने में।
Ma'am, we will study about phones.
We will study about
Yes, ma'am.
phone features. Somebody put on the chat box phone features. So phone तो सबको पसंद है,
Yes. No.
correct? Don't lie. Everybody likes their phone, correct? So today I hope you all are sitting with your books. तो जो भी difficult चीजें हैं आप लिख सकते हो और फिर उसके बाद हमें पूछ सकते हो। ओके, तो आज का क्लास मैं नहीं लेने वाली हूँ, तो आप सब लोग खुशी से मना सकते हो कि मेरी आवाज आज किसी को नहीं सुनने मिलने वाला है। ओके, टुडे वी हैव Savita ma'am, because today's class Savita ma'am is there. Savita ma'am is Arshad and ma'am, who else are, no, not Arshad, Aisha Taj and Aisha Taj, Alia, or she is their volunteer. Okay, so she is going to take class today, but then I want everybody to go on mute. Okay, when you're given a chance to talk, you can talk, but you will raise your hand. सबको पता ऑनलाइन क्लास कैसे चलता है? क्वेश्चन होगा, क्वेश्चन होगा तो you will, what will you all do?
Raise your hand first.
Raise your hand, correct. Okay, then जब आपका नाम लिया जाएगा, then you will talk.
Yes,
Understood? Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
so now let's all say, let's all give like one nice clap for Savita ma'am to start class. Okay, and let's all learn something about our mobile phone. Okay, Muhammad Hassan, please go on mute. All right. Okay, ready?
I'm gonna start sharing.
Oh.
I am going to start sharing. Can you see? Can someone
Yes,
give me
ma'am.
thumbs up if you all can see? Perfect. Okay. ठीक है, तो अगर मैंने बहुत कुछ बोल दिया और नहीं समझ में आया तो stop me at any time, okay? Anytime you can just raise your hand. You all know how to use raise your hand. Raise your hand and I will stop and then you can ask your questions. We don't have to do it as continuous talking. Whenever you have a question, just stop me. Didi will stop and you can ask your question. Make sense? Everybody ready? I actually don't know how. Okay, I will keep this open. Is this seen, Akanksha? The participants window?
You can continue.
Is so how do I see reactions? Like if, will you let me know?
Yeah, I will.
Okay, cool. Sounds good. Okay, hi bachas. This is Savita Didi, Savita ma'am, whatever you want to call me. So I am a engineer. I work for this company called Apple. Have you all heard of Apple? You can just say reaction.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, perfect. So I work as an engineer for Apple and I work on the chips that go into your phones. So what are these chips? We'll talk about it in the slides ahead. But before we start, I want to know what you like most about your phone. What do you find the most interesting or the most fascinating about your phone? So what are those squares that you'll see when you'll go inside your phone? There are so many squares, right? Different squares you'll see. You'll have all these things you'll download from the Play Store. What are those things called? Anybody can answer.
I call the tabs, no, ma'am. They
Yes,
here only
exactly.
have seen.
Exactly. They're called apps. So what do you all like? Anybody can go off mute. One of you can go off mute and tell me what do you like most about your phone, or what do you find interesting कि ये कैसे चलता है? Like ये phone फोन से फोटो कैसे खींचते हैं हम, या एक बटन प्रेस किया तो कॉल कैसे लग जाता है? व्हाट डू यू फाइंड मोस्ट इंटरेस्टिंग अबाउट योर फोन?
Umesh, are you saying something? Anybody wants to answer?
Ma'am, WhatsApp.
You like WhatsApp? Nice. What else? WhatsApp is very fascinating. It's very interesting. You can send pictures, you can make calls, you can make video calls, you can do so many things on WhatsApp, right? We have classes with our volunteer didis and bhaiyas on WhatsApp. What else? What else do you find
Fatima
interesting?
said she likes YouTube.
YouTube. Amazing. Very nice, right? You see so many videos, and not just of you can see videos of your friends, but you can also see videos of people around the world. Like anybody can post their video on YouTube. Very nice. What else?
Ma'am, Instagram.
Instagram. Yes, that is everybody's favorite. No, nowadays everybody wants to post pictures on Instagram and reels on Instagram and TikTok. Yeah, Instagram is very, very fascinating. Very
Instagram
nice.
is
So I think, sorry, I missed one.
not my favorite.
Did I miss that?
Ma'am, what does this, ma'am? Network.
What is this? This is, तो आपके जहाँ आप रहते हो कभी ऐसे एक बड़ा सा टावर देखा है?
Ma'am,
घर के
like
पास
Yes.
बड़ा सा
Yes,
टावर
ma'am.
देखा है?
Yes,
I know,
ma'am.
ma'am. This. I know this.
Yeah, so this is that tower, and that tower is a very
Is it
important
net?
part of,
Yes.
yes, that is what gives you your network. You have network on your phone,
Yes.
right? कभी कभी call drop हो जाता है, and then you say network नहीं है ma'am. So that network is because of that tower that exists near you. So we'll talk about that in the next slide. Okay, so let's.
Hi, Wasim.
Hmm? Sorry, I can't see names, but could you repeat that, please? Repeat karo, please.
Ma'am, you can continue.
Okay, fine. Let's continue. So the first 2-3 slides are a little boring, so we'll go over it faster, but this is more so that you all know there was an history to all these phones. Like today, your phone is a full glass display, right? From top to the bottom, you see a glass panel, and it looks really nice and sophisticated. But phones didn't look
Yes,
like
ma'am.
this 20 years ago. Okay, so 20 years ago, your phone looked like this. This is quite ugly, right? Compared to what we have today. Today, we have such nice
Yes.
looking phones, but this is how phones looked when I was born, and when few years afterwards, Akanksha Didi and Arko Bhaiya were born. That's how phones looked. And then over the years, there were many, many engineers, scientists, and lots of other people, product designers. Everybody came together and they started building better and better phones. And there were many things that contributed to that. And today, this is what we see, right? We have a much nicer looking phone which does so many things. With this phone on the left, you could only make calls. All you could do is use this dial pad, press 8 numbers and make a call. That's it. And as you kept progressing, as you kept making more changes, today you can do what not, right? You can take photos, you can post photographs. Who is gone off mute? Please mute yourself.
Mohammad Hassan, please go on mute.
Please mute yourself.
Sadat, please mute yourself. Mohammad Hassan, go on mute. And please do not come off mute.
So if you all have a question, you all can go off mute, ask, and then make sure you go back on mute so that everybody can listen, okay? So that's how phones looked and how you have phones that look really fancy and nice today. So let's go to the next slide. So this one, Akanksha Didi tells me this is how your phone looks. So it looks something very close to this. Okay, so this is a Redmi phone, which is dual SIM, and it's the one that sells on Amazon India. And have you all seen something like this before? Have you all gone and checked any website or tried to buy a phone before? Has any of you done it?
Yes,
I know
ma'am.
some traders
I had
are
done.
too tiny, but have you tried
I
buying a
had done.
phone?
Yes,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
it-
What all the teachers have?
So when you buy a phone, what do you think about?
How-
Like, what do you see? Do you see how many megapixel camera is there, or how big the display is? What
What
do
are
you
the
see?
features?
What are the
It will
features?
heat or
Yeah,
not?
so you see.
Heat.
Ma'am, check
Mhm.
GB.
Effects for eyes or not?
GB, yeah, somebody said GB, exactly. How many GB? So how much memory does the phone have? So you see here, right? It is 64 GB. And here you say that's your high quality card. And then you have 256 GB.
Ma'am, check
Mhm.
GB for RAM.
Ah,
Camera is clarity.
very good. Yes, exactly. The more RAM you have, the better, more clarity you get.
Ma'am,
on
check
the
storage and inbuild.
inbuilt storage. Very good. You guys are very smart. This is a very, very smart class. You all know so much about your phone.
Ma'am,
So
and
when
screen
we
is how much big, ma'am?
screen is how much big? So in this case, the screen is 6.3 inches. So it's a very big screen. So you have that, right? And then you see there are other things that describe the processor. So it's such a big word, right? Processor. Has anyone heard the word processor?
Yes, ma'am.
You've heard the word processor? Very good. Okay, so we'll go. So all these definitions over here, all this text.
Ma'am,
that-
and we check battery also, ma'am. How many that have battery?
Excellent. Yes,
mAh.
battery is the most important. Without battery, your phone won't even be on. So what's the use of having everything else? So battery is very, very important.
Ma'am,
Excellent.
new phones not
on
battery.
Mm-hmm.
Ma'am, and we check that is good for gaming or not.
Good for gaming or not? Wow, all of you play lots of games also on your phone. Very nice.
Ma'am, not lag.
Hmm?
Ma'am,
Yes,
not lag.
Ma'am, this is a first one here.
No lag. Somebody said no lag.
Everybody will
ma'am.
raise your hand and then talk.
Yeah,
नहीं तो
raise
we
your
can't
hand.
hear three people together. हमारे दो कान हैं पर हम सिर्फ एक जन को सुन सकते हैं.
Okay, go ahead. Somebody said lag.
Yes,
no
Aftab.
lag.
Yes, Aftab. Aftab, you
Ma'am,
can come.
मैम ये 1000 का है मैम.
क्या
Sorry.
आता है?
फिर से बोलो. फिर से बोलो आफ्ताब.
मैम 10,000 कम मैम.
I'm not able to understand. Can you put
Chat
it on
box
the
में
chat
डालो
box?
please.
हाँ,
Chat
put on
box
the
में
chat
डालो.
box.
Ma'am, check how many mAh phone battery pickup.
Very nice. Oh my God. You all know what MH is. Very good. Very good. First, I see RAM. A lot of people said, oh, someone, Umesh knows Steve
Ma'am,
Jobs.
and we check what ultra wide camera or dual camera.
Camera,
Ma'am.
dual camera. Very good.
And ma'am,
Which
And
chip?
it affects, ma'am, and it affects for eyes or not.
Correct. Very nice.
Ma'am, display or LCD that like.
LCD or LED. Very good. Okay, I think you guys know a lot about this. So maybe I can explain difficult things to you all. You all seem to know so much about your phones. So let's go to the next slide, and then we'll have lots of time for questions in the end. So you all can ask as many questions as you want. So let's go to the next slide. Let's see what is there in the phone, what Didi knows about phones, and then you all can ask even more questions. Okay, so we'll spend some time on this slide, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
So you all see this picture on the left. This picture is when, if you, please don't do this to your phones, firstly. This was done to a very old phone, which had to be thrown in the dustbin. But if ever you have a very, very old phone and you open the back cover of your phone, this is what you will see. You will see all this metal and something that looks like squares. All
Yes,
of
yes,
this
ma'am.
is what you will see. This is what you will see if you open that plastic thing on the back
Ma'am,
of
their
your phone.
battery.
Correct. So this slide tells you what are the main components, what are the main parts of a phone. Okay, so let's begin with the processor. I heard somebody said they know what processor is, but processor is basically like the brain of our brain, like a human brain. So what does our brain do? Just 2-3 people put it on the chat box. I think chat box is easy. Just put on the chat box. What do you think your brain does for you, for a human being? What does the brain do? I'll open the chat box here. Anybody typing? Brain is Google for me. Okay. But what does your brain help you do? It helps us think. We think with our
I
brain.
can think something topic means is give me knowledge about that. I want to do something this like is give idea.
Okay. Yes, that is very true. Brain helps us for everything, and that's what the processor is to the mobile phone. So the processor helps every other part of the phone, whether it's your camera, your battery, everything else that's in your phone, the processor controls it. So it'll tell the camera, okay, somebody press that button for the camera. So the brain tells that part of the phone, please turn on, you need to take a picture now. So the processor is the brain of the mobile phone. And just like our brain, when we want to do something, everything goes through our brain. When we think of something, when we want to write something, when we want to walk, everything goes through our brain. So similarly for the phone, everything goes through the processor. Then you have the second most important, or probably the most important thing, and someone said it, many people said it. What is that? It's the battery. And that's this big red box. That's usually the biggest part of the phone. That's the one that makes your phone so heavy. Most of the weight comes from the battery. It's a big battery that sits inside your phone. And what do you do if the battery is out? What happens if the battery is gone? What do you all do?
Phone is not on.
Ma'am,
Correct. Phone will not turn on, and then you charge it and you connect it to the wall, and then it will charge again and you can turn on your phone. So without a battery, the phone won't even work. It won't even turn on. So without battery, nothing else matters. So one thing that a lot of engineers work on is making sure that this battery is very long lasting, and which is why it is written in that description, and you check for the mAh. Somebody said mAh, right? So you check for good mAh for your battery in your phone. Then the next one is your camera. So your camera is like your eyes. What do your eyes help you do? You see everything around you with your eyes. So similarly, if you want to take a picture with your camera, or you want to take a video with your camera, your actual camera works as the eyes. And then similarly, your speaker. Your speaker is like your ears. You can hear everything that comes out, whether you're watching a YouTube video, or you're watching an Instagram reel, or you're watching a TikTok reel. You can listen to things with the speakers. And then finally, what is the last
ma'am,
one? It's
video
the
call
phone.
also. Ma'am,
Huh?
4G
video
Wi-Fi.
call.
Video call also, correct. With your video call also, you need the ears and eyes of your phone. You need both of them, because you need your camera for the video, and for the audio, you need the ears. So you need the speaker and microphone of your phone. Very good. And finally, your 4G, 5G, and Wi-Fi. You all have heard of this, right? We just discovered the tower. We just discussed the tower. What does that do? What did we say the tower does?
Tower
network tower. Correct, exactly. So network अगर है या नहीं है, that is because
Network is ma'am.
correct, network. So you'll have heard of waves, radio waves, sound waves. Akanksha Didi told me you all are learning about sound waves. Some of the 8th graders are learning about sound waves. So similarly, there are something called as radio waves, which you will learn when you go to higher classes. how radio waves work.
Hello, hi Wasim.
Ma'am, this we all learn in the software engineering.
Correct. You will learn this in software and electrical engineering. They'll teach you how radio waves work. Exactly. Sorry. So how does the internet or the Wi-Fi component of it work? It's like your mouth. How do you communicate with other people? You use your mouth to talk, right? And that's how you tell whatever you want to say to your friends or to Akanksha Didi or to somebody else. Similarly, your phone has one part with which it can talk to that tower, and then the tower relays that information to wherever else it needs to go to. So you'll understand what the tower is, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
perfect. So let's take a small break before we go to the next slide. And if you all have questions, ask as many questions as you want. Then we have another 10 minutes of slides, and then we can ask more questions. So do you all have any questions about what else is there in this phone, or how does this work? Raise your hand and Akanksha Didi will tell me who has a question.
Ma'am, I have.
Manan, do you have a question?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, sir, you can ask Manan.
Ma'am, that Savita ma'am has working in iPhone company, no ma'am. What she are working with?
So I work on this processor. That's what I work on. I work
Okay,
on
ma'am.
making this part. So there are many teams in the iPhone company, and they all make different parts. So not one person can
Yes,
work.
ma'am.
So there are more than 5,000 people working on just this. There are many people working on just the processor. Any more questions?
Thank you for your question, Manan. Does anybody else have any question? You can put it on the chat box if you want.
Yeah, even chat box is good.
No questions? सब समझ में आ गया? इतने स्मार्ट हो आप लोग? इतनी
Yes,
चीजें तो
ma'am.
मुझे भी नहीं, इतने स्मार्ट हो, इतनी चीजें तो मुझे भी नहीं पता थी फोन के बारे में. मतलब आप सबको अब सिखाना पड़ेगा मुझे कि फोन कैसे यूज करते हैं. All right, so then किसी को कोई question नहीं है? Can we
No,
move
ma'am.
on?
No, ma'am.
No
No,
questions? Okay, fine. Savita ma'am, please continue.
Okay, next question. Next slide. This will be fast, and then we'll go to, I think, the actual difficult part, which they might actually get now, I feel. So this one is the same thing that you saw on the last, but how the different layers are seen when you open that back plastic part. So इसके
Ma'am,
ये पहले
And display, no.
display. Yes,
Ma'am.
there is a display. Tell me.
Ma'am, main display, no.
Display, you want to see the display?
No, ma'am. Main is phone display.
Main is phone
Ma'am, it
display.
will be
Yes, phone
text, no?
display is very important part. I agree.
Ma'am,
But
display, no.
Ma'am, my outside part.
Ma'am, every part is also important, ma'am. One part will damage means we get lot of problem.
very correct. That is very true. Especially in today's phones, if one part gets damaged, most of the time you have to throw that phone. You cannot repair it because they are so difficult. Like it's so complex. It's so difficult to make it all, put it back together. So if one part gets spoiled, then you have to buy a new phone. Which is why please take care of your phones very nicely. Don't throw it on the ground. If the display gets cracked, it's very expensive to get a new one. So this picture is, if this black color plastic, I remove it, I will see this big battery. And then I will see, if I remove that battery, that layer of battery, you can just, you have special tools that you can use to remove the battery. Then you will see this part of it on the side, which you saw in this image also, right? This goes all around the battery on the side like this. that will have the brain, it will have the other, if there's anything about any processor related to the camera, it will have all of that on this part. And then in the last, you'll have everything else. You'll have this is the memory. Everything you all said about 64 GB, about RAM, all of that, all the memory will be closest to the phone display, and it will also be very close to the brain and the processor of the cell phone. Okay. So I think this part you all seem to know a lot. So we will go to,
Good
you
morning,
all
ma'am.
have, say that again. फिर से बोलो.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Who is this good morning now?
Ma'am, I am Noor Misbah.
Noor Misbah. Okay. Hi, Noor.
Hello, ma'am.
So this is, let's see how much you all understand this. Okay. And you all, if you all have questions, stop me. This is little difficult. So if you have questions, stop me. So in
Ma'am,
that,
in this, I know this
you know
Snapdragon.
You know
Snapdragon.
Snapdragon. See, I told you, Akanksha, they all know Snapdragon. I'm very happy you know Snapdragon. So I used to work for Snapdragon company before this. And I used to work on that Snapdragon chip before this. Before last year, I used to work on that Snapdragon. Okay, so we'll discuss Snapdragon in a minute, but let's try to understand this slide, okay? So we are seeing all these big numbers and small numbers here, right? Can someone read out this number to me very quickly? Can someone read out this number?
Ma'am,
I
it's
can.
Read it.
I can, ma'am.
Go ahead, read.
0.0.000000005.
Very good. And this one. Manan, I think it was Manan. Manan, do you want to
Yes,
read
ma'am.
this one also? Yeah, go ahead.
Yes, ma'am. 700000000.
Very good. So these are very different numbers than what we do addition, subtraction with every day, right? Our exams are very different looking numbers. So this number on the left is really small. It is very, very tiny. So if you see the Snapdragon chip, it is made of this component. It's an electronics component. It's called transistor. And if you've heard of it, amazing. But if you have not heard of it, you can think of it like a switch. You all know your switch in the house, right? Light jalane ke liye you use the switch. Fan on karne ke liye use the switch. So there are many such switches, and in electronics, it's called a transistor. And this switch or transistor, you know how small it is? It is this small. And if this number is not something you understand, you can if you look at your hair and you divide it into 1,000 parts, like the width of your hair, if you divide it into 1,000 parts, this switch or this transistor is equal to 1 part of those 1,000. It's that small. It's really, really tiny. And you have 7 billion of those transistors on your processor. And how big is 7 billion? You know how many, it's as big as many people on this earth. So you know how many, this is probably much harder number to explain, but does anyone know how many people are there on this whole earth? Does anyone know this answer?
7.5 billion.
Sorry, say that again.
7.5 billion.
Very good. So you understand 7.5 billion. Do you know how big a number that is?
Yes.
It has 9 zeros in it. You just read that number, right? You said 70000. There are 9 zeros. It's that big a number. 1,000 has 3 zeros. So this is 3 raised to 3 times. So it's a very big number. So you have these tiny, 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 tiny switches, and you have 7 billion of those on this small little chip that goes into your phone. And this chip is usually as big as your thumb. That's why we have this thumb picture here. It's as big as your thumb. You know, the tip of your thumb, it's really small, right? So the chip is literally that big. And it sits somewhere on the top next to your camera. That's where it sits. In most phones, it changes, it depends. But in most phones, it sits next to your camera. So I hope you all understood this, but if somebody has questions, please ask me. I know it's hard. It's hard even for us.
Ma'am, I have one question.
Yeah, ask.
Ma'am, in phone, no, they have write Mega Tech hello, that G35, that number is what, ma'am, that Mega Tech? In
T35 number or MegaTech?
Mega Tech. Media Tech.
MegaTech is must be more of a brand thing. But G35 is so when we make these processors, right? When I used to work for Qualcomm, this company that makes Snapdragon, they will always, like, when they decide, okay, this is the project we'll work on, we will make this processor for the phone coming out in 2024. So then they decide to call it something. And then that name evolves into the final name that comes to the world. So it's just a name. There's nothing more to it. It's just a name that they give because they have to create branding, right? They have to create advertisements. They have to say, okay, this is the new chip that we've made. This is how fast it is. This is how much memory it can support. This is the type of battery that you can use with it. This is how it will save power for your phone. So you don't have to charge your phone over and over again. So they'll have all these amazing things about that processor and they will write a big advertisement for it. And in that, they'll also have the name, which could be something like G35, whatever like name you would have seen. Does that make वो थोड़ा कुछ समझ में आया?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Any more questions?
No, ma'am.
Okay, perfect. Cool. So let's go to the next slide. We have about
No,
10
ma'am.
minutes. Let's go to the next slide, and then there's one small video and a small assignment for you all. So let's move on to the slide. So on this slide, this is what we actually spoke about earlier about the towers that are all around us. So what happens when you place a call? When you click on the call button on your phone, what happens? So you'll have heard of 3G, 4G, 5G, and all these different Gs, right?
Yes,
And
yes.
yes, so all 3G, 4G, 5G, each of them have different frequencies assigned to them. And I was not planning on using that word, but frequency is a very scientific term. Like, it's okay. You can think of it as a different channel. So each 3G, 4G, 5G has different channels assigned to it. So say your phone is currently, your network is 4G network. Okay, and you place a call. So there's a very complex system that works in your phone and it talks to this tower, which is why it's that part of your phone is the mouth of your phone, and it talks to this tower and it says, okay, this is the data I want to send. So could you please place this call to my friend, whoever your friend is. So it will assign you a channel and everything that you say will go through that pipe, will go through that channel, and the tower will send it to your friend. And whatever your friend says comes back through the tower to your phone. And you have dedicated, like you have your own pipes and your own channels, and you only talk through that, which is why if whenever you say network kharab hai, ya network, ya call gir gaya, you say call gir gaya, right? Which means something went wrong when you were communicating with that tower. Or those radio waves that you will learn in your higher classes, those are not, it's not reaching your phone correctly. So which is why your call gets dropped, or the network is bad, or you have 4 sticks on top, right? You will see only 2 sticks, something like that. So this is also hard. If you'll have more questions, you can ask me. We can go into more detail. But for now, let's stop here. Let's finish the rest of the slides. In the end, you can ask me more questions about this if it's a little hard, okay? Okay, so that processor, this is the last video before we go to our assignment. This processor that you saw in the last slide, how is it made? Like, does anybody have any idea? How is it made? Is it plastic? Is it metal?
Ma'am, your voice is not coming.
Metal, ma'am. This is metal.
1 second. Can you all hear me okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Pankaj, can you hear me fine?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Is it better now? I hope everybody can hear me.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Yes. Yes, more answers. What do you think it's made of? Is it made of metal, plastic? Is it made of, I don't know. What material do you think it's made of?
Solar.
Huh?
Solar.
Solar. No, it's not made of solar. It's not
Ma'am,
made
what
of
you
solar
have to make?
energy. So this fact or this thing a lot of people find interesting. Even adults find interesting. Like even big people find interesting when you tell them that that processor that's made that's in your phone is actually made of sand. You'll know what sand is. You see sand on the beach or in the desert. You'll know what sand is. Yes, no, chat box. Do you all know what sand is?
Yes, we know.
You know what sand is, right? So it's actually made of sand. So the switch or the transistor we spoke about in the last in the last slide is actually made of sand. So this video is a quick like it tells you how they convert that sand, which is like रेत बोलते हैं ना, जो you pick it up and it flows through your fingers and you can't even hold it properly, but it's actually made of that, and it shows you how they convert that sand into actual things that looks like metal. I would have said metal also had I not seen or learned how they make it. So let's watch this video and then we'll come back to questions,
This
okay?
is looking like a copper tiny wires.
Correct. It is going to be tiny wires.
Ma'am, that video's voice is not coming, ma'am.
There's a lag. Yeah, it might be there because if network is not good, then that's what we can't do anything. So it's okay. Even if it's not clear, it's fine. I'll explain what's happening.
Ma'am, video is lagging.
That's fine. I'll explain what's happening. I'll speak through it. So even if you don't see it, you'll know. I'll tell you what happened.
We
Okay.
will also share the video with you on your class group.
Yeah, we'll send the YouTube link so you can also watch it at home.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So what just happened was that sand in its grain form, you pick it up and you make it into something liquidy, like semi-solid, like dahi. Semi-solid is dahi. So you make it into a form, something that is texture of dahi, and it's put into this mold. Do you all know what a mold is? It's like a big bucket to give it a certain shape. So do you all see the image on the screen?
Yes,
You
ma'am.
see a picture on
Yes,
the
ma'am.
screen. So when you pour that liquid sand, it's liquid sand, you pour it into a bucket and you cool it down, it becomes hard and it becomes like a cylinder. You know what a cylinder is, right? Like a tall column. Yes, you put it into that bucket and it becomes like a cylinder. I should also use annotating, it'll help. So this is that cylinder. This green arrow is that cylinder that it becomes. So let's see what happens after that, okay? Okay, this is not going to be fun. Okay. ठीक है, तो अभी थोड़ा सा ब्रेक लेते हैं, लेट्स अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट हैपेंड। तो इसके पहले क्या हुआ? वो बड़ा सा सिलेंडर था, फिर उसको क्या किया? व्हाट हैपेंड टू
Yes,
दैट
put
सिलेंडर?
that
मैम उसको तोड़ दिया मैम.
करेक्ट, उसको तोड़ दिया, लाइक यू गॉट समथिंग एंड मेड इट इनटू स्मॉल स्मॉल डिस्क.
मालेंगर का सर.
You cut it into small discs, and you have many of these circle things now. You made that tall cylinder into many small circles, and then on each of these small circles, and remember this is all it started with that sand. You had that
गुड
sand.
मालेंगर का सर.
Arko sir is here. He will join in 10 minutes. He will start talking. He'll show his face. But let's wrap up quickly. We have 1 more minute in the video. Let's wrap up and then Arko sir will also join. Okay. So did you all see what happened here? Can anyone explain what they thought was happening here in this image? What is happening here?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Mhm.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Noor
Yes,
Misbah.
Ma'am, I can leave.
Sure,
Bye.
you have. I don't know.
Ma'am, my mobile battery is low, ma'am.
Okay. Please keep your phones charged. Those who are dropping off, charge your phones. Your mummies have to join after this at 11:30. So go charge your phone and tell your mummy also.
Ma'am, that's
11:30.
charge full.
Savita ma'am, you can continue.
Okay, I was getting some very nice answers for what is happening here. What is happening here? You can annotate. Somebody was annotating. That's also fine. What is happening here? Can anyone tell me?
He's giving the sunlight them, ma'am.
Okay, so let me do small, quick explanation. Okay, so this is not, it's not sunlight, but it is some light. You're right. It is a very special kind of light they use. And we spoke about all those switches, right? What was the word for that we used? Transistor. So it is, this light is used to draw those transistors on this big circular disc. So they use light, and then there's a stencil. Maybe difficult word, you can forget about it, but just think about it like a drawing. They pass that light through a drawing of all these switches, and then the end result is on this disc. You see a lot of those switches drawn along with wires. You know wires also, right? What is the connection in your house that makes your light turn on, your fan turn on? There's a lot of electrical wiring. So imagine there are many, many tiny, very, very, very small wires, as small as the one or as small as the switch or the transistor we discussed. And all those things get drawn on this big circular disc. And they have many, many rounds of it. So this is one round, and they do it 10 times. So there are 10 different layers. So how in a building you have different floors? So each floor, imagine it like there are 9 floors that are drawn one over the other with more switches and more wires. That's how they make this. That's how they make the circular disc. And then let's see what happens to the circular disc after that. Oops. Sorry, I'll just. Perfect. So first, one thing to clarify, just like you had Snapdragon and like Qualcomm made Snapdragon, there's another company called Intel. Have you heard of Intel? There's another company called Intel that also makes chips.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am, I know.
So this video is from Intel. And what happened in this video? Anybody wants to quickly share before we go on to the next part? What happened in the last bit? What did they do to that
Ma'am.
digital disk?
Ma'am, in that they have circle, no, is put there some light is very gold. He's
Mhm.
showing green first. After his gear, something is put there. His become gold.
Yeah, so in the end, over
In the end,
here,
he is cut into
so
small
this
pieces.
part, this is what I wanted to show. Very hard to control. So I said, right, how they draw. So this is all the many wires and the transistors. This green over here is all the transistors, all the switches that we spoke about. And there are many billions of them on your processor. And all this brown yellow thing is wires that connect these transistors to each other. And finally, they chop this entire circle into many smaller processors, because every phone will have only one processor, right? So they cut it out and it becomes this one processor, and then that's what you see, the black color thing. That's what you see. That's the casing for this piece of silicon. It's called silicon. That material is called silicon. So sand, the scientific name for it is silicon. So, any more questions before we go to assignment? We will send you these videos. I know it is hard, it's difficult. So we will, if you have questions, you can ask questions, or we can go to the assignment. I don't know how much time we have. Akanksha Didi and Arko sir, whatever you all think, we can either do assignment or we can do more questions.
Questions. Now questions.
Okay, go ahead. Anybody has more questions about the video? Should I play something again? Let me see what's in the chat box. You can also put in the chat. Which types of sand?
Umesh, you had a question. Yes. Which type of sand?
Yes, ma'am.
So let me see if I can write this. Since Umesh, you're in 8th grade or 6th grade?
Ma'am,
Eight.
I'm in 8th grade.
Okay, so I'm not sure if you all are learning this in science, but sand has this term, okay? So there's no special, they process any sand that you get in nature as it is, they process it and they make it usable. They make it such that so that it can be used in the factory. So that goes into one big, you saw that bucket kind of thing in the beginning, right? They make it like liquid sand and they process it a lot. They put it through lots of treatments, and then it becomes usable, and then they take it to the factory where it's cut into those circular disc like things. It becomes that circle, big circles. So there is no type as such of sand. They use, mostly you can use all types of sand that you find in nature. It's the processing of the sand that is very expensive. There's a lot of money that goes into making that type of molten sand. Any more questions? Any more questions about any
No
other
questions?
parts of the phone, or how they do software for your phone? This is just the
Ma'am,
hardware, right?
that
Do you all know
really
software?
put, ma'am, that you will show me, no, sand is take and that golden, where that put, ma'am, in phone?
The processor is your brain. That chip, when they take the sand and they make it into a chotu chip. Did you see in the end of the video, there was a chotu chip?
Yes.
That chotu chip is the processor. And
That
where
is
was
it.
the processor? Processor was which part of the phone? The processor is your brain.
Brain.
Correct? And the brain is here.
Yes.
Okay.
This is your brain here. Can you see where number 1 is?
Yes, ma'am.
That is the processor in your phone. Understood?
Okay, ma'am. Now also, ma'am, in now also is doing that like only because now every there coming computers, electronics machines has come.
All phones. जितना from सबसे छोटा phone, डब्बा phone जो बोलते हैं ना हम, which is basically, which has no WhatsApp नहीं रहता, camera नहीं रहता, even those छोटू phones will have a processor. Your phone also will have a processor, and Apple phone also will have a processor. All phones will have a processor.
Even your washing machine or fridge in the house or anything, whatever electronics you see, your TV in the house, everything will have a processor in it.
Even laptops have a processor.
Laptops have a processor in it. They're different.
No,
different.
I am not asking that now also he's make that like only because now is coming machines. No, he's making machines only. He's making phones. And that like all big machines has come. No, that's why I'm asking.
Correct.
Now also
So,
going on that.
You're very right. Everything is made with machines right now. And there was one more video I wanted to share that is about the factory. Like the factory in which all this is made. Yeah. Bolo. Who is it?
बोलो मोहम्मद हसन.
मैम मेरी चार्ज खत्म है, मेरी प्लेन मम्मा की मीटिंग के लिए कम है मैम.
ठीक है.
ठीक है, you can drop off. 11:30 को मम्मी को बोलो join करने को.
ओके.
Yes, Umez, you had a question?
No,
Okay. Rihan, you had a question?
if I have, I will ask you.
What
Okay.
entertainment?
What, Rihan? Could you repeat your question, please?
Ma'am, class is what time end?
Your class will end soon. एक assignment है अभी. But after that at 11:30 you have your mama has to join.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, please show us, Savita ma'am, show us the assignment, please.
Yes. Let's do the assignment. Okay. Okay. So, anybody, whoever has the answer first, you guys have to fill these 4. We saw this on the slide, right? What is the heart of the phone? You all can just fill it in the chat box, or you say it, whatever is faster. You raise your hand and say it. What is the heart of your phone? Does anybody remember?
I remember, ma'am.
What is it? Say it, Manan. Manan?
If anybody else knows any. What, Manan?
Battery.
Very good. Yes.
And
the heart
else is that volume, what means it? Speaker. Brain is a processor.
brain
IC
is
is
processor.
Battery.
IC is battery. No, man. IC is that camera.
Amazing. So आप सबको अभी याद है. Everybody remembers what is what, correct? Eyes was
Camera.
camera. Brain is processor. Yours is
Volume.
Speaker, man.
audio.
Speaker.
Heart
Audio.
is
Heart is battery.
battery, correct. And what was the mouth?
Mouth was that Airtel 4G.
4G, करेक्ट. मतलब आपका वाईफाई,
4G.
आपका इंटरनेट, बेसिकली आपका इंटरनेट.
Oh, ouch. I know what I was doing wrong. Okay.
करेक्ट, वेरी गुड. सो मतलब आप सबको पार्ट, अभी बॉडी का पार्ट समझ में आ गया. तो अगर कल कोई पूछेगा आपका हार्ट कहाँ है, तो बोलना फोन में. ओके, क्योंकि बैटरी है. समझा? Was I right?
Yes.
आपका
No,
हार्ट
ma'am.
कहाँ है?
फोन में.
फोन में है. ओके,
फोन में है.
ओके, ठीक है. जोक था, प्लीज किसी को बोलना मत, मतलब बोलेंगे कि और को सर रोहिणी मैम क्या पढ़ा रहे हैं आपको. ओके, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. आपका फोन का फेवरेट फीचर?
I want to write app name.
राइट ऐप नेम, इट्स ओके.
Yeah, right app name. Chat box, say anything is fine.
Instagram, ma'am.
Instagram. Okay, let's see. I'll type. Instagram. Somebody said favorite features.
Google.
Instagram. What kya hai? Google. Very nice. Google. What else? और क्या पसंद है?
Ma'am, my favorite feature of my phone is that camera, ma'am.
Camera. Very nice.
नादिया बोलो, क्या हुआ? Could you please stop annotating? Yes, नादिया बोलो.
Zoom and WhatsApp. YouTube. Nice.
नादिया, we
I'll-
cannot hear
Educational
you.
app.
Educational app. Which educational app do you use? Phone call. Very nice. Snapchat. Very nice. Okay. Any more questions about मुझे ये presentation में नहीं
And
समझाया
there have
जानना-
InShot app.
हाँ?
I have one question.
Yes, ask.
Manan, 1 minute. Manan, 1 minute. Nadia has raised her hand. Nadia, what's your question? We can't hear you, Nadia.
She's not connected to the audio.
Audio. Nadia, please connect to the audio. Put your question in the chat box and we'll answer it. Yes, Manan.
Ma'am, I have question. One person is using Android mobile. One person is using iPhone mobile. They have they give iPhone to Android. The Android to iPhone means that is very difficult to use, ma'am. Why, ma'am? That is that like.
So, okay. I will try to answer that very difficult question. So that is difficult because when you turn on your iPhone and you turn
Ma'am,
on.
my battery is low, ma'am.
Okay, Fatima, that is right.
Fatima, you can drop off and keep your phone to charge. Tell your mama 11:30 she has to join.
Okay, so Manan, when you use your iPhone and when you use a Android phone, when you turn it on, the apps, everything, they work on different software. And have you heard of OS, this word operating system or OS? Have you heard of this word? Manan or anybody, have you all heard of this word?
No, ma'am.
Okay, so operating system is a very technical word for software. So the software that's written for iPhones versus the software that's written for an Android phone, they're very different. So the iPhone company writes its own software for iPhones, and Android company like Redmi, like Xiaomi or like Vivo or Google also has Android phones, right? So Google and all these companies, Google writes the software for all Android phones, which is, and it's called Android. So the word for that is operating system. If you all can remember it, it's great. It's a nice word, nice thing to know about your phone. So if somebody asks you what's the operating system your phone is working on, you should say Android. So the way the software is written, they're very different. Yeah, there you go. Arco wrote it down in the chat box. So they work very differently, which is why when you turn on iPhone and then you turn on Android phone, they look very different. They work very different. So suppose to turn on your speaker, you press a certain button, but for in an iPhone, but for Android, you'll use some different button. So which is why people find it difficult going from one phone to the other. So you have to get used to which buttons to press to make a call or to turn on like your flash, or to turn on the torch in your phone, or to turn on the speaker in your phone, or something of that sort. That's the only reason. Otherwise, there's no reason why you should not be able to go.
Ma'am, because I ask when my neighbor phone have iPhone, no, I ask from to use, no. They give, no, I'm not understanding anything.
Yeah, it is little difficult. Even
Yes.
I had to change my phone. I also first 1-2 months I did not understand. And then it gets little bit easier afterwards. You practice more and then you get better.
Akansha ma'am, can you check chat?
Any more questions? Anybody has any more questions?
Okay, so there is one question that's been put on the chat here. iPhone camera is very clear or our eyes? So which is more clear, iPhone's camera or eyes?
You always your eyes. So this is
Eyes.
fun fact for you. There is no better camera in this world than your eyes. And when they build cameras, when they design or when engineers work on making cameras, they try to make it like your eyes. So that you will never see a camera that is as good as what your eyes see.
Eyes. Ma'am, I had a fact, ma'am. In that video I saw that we know, ma'am, we this much megapixel having camera, this much, no, that is wrong. He's telling how much good lens are put. That is correct telling.
Yeah, that is true and false. Very high level questions they're asking. But see, megapixel, the word megapixel, it is how many. So your camera will say, right, 12 MP and all of that. So it can be of whatever number, but if your lens is bad quality or if your display is bad quality, then even if your camera captures very high quality photos, it won't be seen nicely. And if your lens is dirty or lens is cracked, it won't capture the right picture. So which is why he said that. Like it matters, both matter. You should have good quality lens, also a high megapixel camera. So sometimes a 12 megapixel camera takes better pictures than 32 megapixel cameras. That is possible, it can happen. And nowadays, not just your camera, but after your camera takes a picture, there's a lot of post processing. The word is post processing that happens on your phone. So it captures that image, and then inside your phone itself, it will change the color a little bit. It will make your picture more bright or more dark, and it does that on your phone itself. So even that post processing part, and I'll put the word here, that also matters. So some phones it's better than the others. Some phones it's not so good. Some phones it's better. And usually the more expensive the phone, like the more money you pay for it, the better all this gets. So you will get better photos, better cameras, better post processing.
Ma'am, see, in old days, no, that time you will only tell old kids that zamane mein I will take this phone to call only happens. Ma'am, this time also I can do that like no.
Can you say that again? Are you asking if you can call with today's phones? Yeah, you can call.
No, in today also some people is using that old phones also, no, dabba phone that like having Nokia. that
Correct.
phones only is using.
Yeah.
They're also having
Processor.
in this zamane mein see having process knowledge is very long is put apps new put something new about them why this also happen.
So everyone who has those dabba phones, they can never use app on their phone because their phone is very old and the processor on that phone will not support these apps. So it will not, you cannot even install that app. They won't see Play Store, they won't see anything, which is why like today almost everybody tries to convert, like they try to buy a smartphone, right? That's the word. You call it a smartphone. And why do you call it a smartphone? Because it can do smart things apart from calling a phone, apart from calling. What was the use of a phone was only to call initially. When we started making phones, phone was only to call people. And then it became about texting, sending messages. Then after messages, people thought, oh, we can do other fancy things. We can take photographs from our phones. So then they put a camera on it. Then after camera, they were like, oh, we can do all these amazing things. We can have Google on our phone. We can have Instagram on our phone. So slowly it started becoming more and more complex. So today, if you want to Google and you want to Google on your phone, you have to buy a smartphone. You can't use dabba phone to do Google. So you have to buy.
No, I mean, see, Jio also is a make button, some dabba phone only is put there, no? Some Jio, Facebook also is put, YouTube, everything is put, WhatsApp, that all is put. I cannot
I
do
know, I
their
know what.
chats.
Okay, I think
Jio phone, ma'am.
I think there are two questions. So Shayad, I'll talk to you after this. You can, I'll tell Akanksha Didi to give
Ma'am,
you my
it
number. You
also
can
like
text me. Let's go to Aisha's question also. You can text me anytime.
Jio phone there, here, Google.
Jio phone, there is Google, I know. Okay, Aisha, you speak.
Ma'am, I have a doubt. In iPhone, there are three, like a female, male. Why were they having, ma'am? If we tell, hey Sri, call someone, no, he will call and answer that.
Sorry, say that again. In iPhone, if you say, hey Siri, what happens?
If in that one system, ma'am, the female, male, like one, like they are processing something. If we call someone, we tell to call somebody, he will call and like type or something, like guiding in phone. That system in iPhone, why, ma'am?
So you're asking me how it works, how they make Siri work?
Yeah, why will they like in iPhone?
So for example, like I'll tell you why I use my Siri on my phone. So see, suppose when I used to have Android phone, I used to use OK Google. You can use OK Google on your phone. So you can, suppose I'm driving my car and I'm going to office. And because I'm driving, my hands are on the steering wheel, right? So, and I need to say something to my phone. I need my phone to take me to some place. So I say, okay, Google, can you take me to Dadar? So it will give me directions, map directions to go to Dadar. So that is one use case where you cannot type what you want. Like when you want something on Google, you open Google and you type it, right? But you need your hands free for that. And if your hands are not free, then how do you do it? So that's why you use Siri or you use Google. Okay, Google. You say, okay, Google, and you say, okay, Google, play this song of mine. Say you're washing something, or your hands are dirty, you are painting something, or your hands are muddy for whatever reason, and you can't touch your phone. And you want to say something to your phone, or you want to see something urgently. So you can say, okay, Google, can you find this for me? And it'll give you the answer.
Without touching phone hour.
Without touching phone, yes, absolutely.
Ma'am, in iPhone having lots of very interesting features also.
Even your
Ma'am, it's
Android
white.
phone has many,
And
many
we do for
interesting features.
calling also, ma'am. Call to this person means they directly get call.
Even
Yes,
Google
ma'am.
will do that. Even your OK Google will do that. I used to do OK Google, call my friend. My friend's name is Sakshi. I used to say OK Google, call Sakshi. And my
But
phone would call them.
why, ma'am, in our phone is not having that features? That
So it
like
will,
Ma'am, that
I
is
will,
Android.
no, Android also has it. I will ask Akanksha Didi which phone and how if we can enable. You can do that.
Sometimes it doesn't work on your phone क्योंकि आप सब लोग के phone पे Esper है ना?
Oh yeah, that must be the case.
Esper है ना आपके phone पे? Correct.
Yes, ma'am.
उसके वजह से नहीं हो.
एक्सपर्ट ने कब्जा कर बैठा है सबके सब पे.
Yes. Okay, what else? So I had this one question because I work for Qualcomm and iPhone company, right? So if you all had to change something about your phone, what would you change?
What, ma'am? Ma'am, can I leave?
Change.
I would
Last
try to
question.
change my phone setting. Like
Setting.
unique.
What setting? What setting would you change?
Like home setting.
Home setting. Okay.
Yeah.
Anybody else?
Ma'am,
Last 5
in
minutes and
Android
then we
mobile
wrap up.
having Nivavigan buttons, no, ma'am. In iPhone they not have buttons. Nivavigan
Correct. I also don't like that at all.
Yes,
I
ma'am.
don't like it at all. Button is good.
Yes, ma'am. So we put that circle means that they can go for that place. That like,
Correct. What else?
ma'am, that Shahid has that question, ma'am. Why people are using that dial pad phone not having that much features? Because that is increasing lots of technology and becoming a modern society, ma'am. That's why. No,
Yes, it
in
is right. Today
no,
you cannot, many people cannot live without WhatsApp. So it's
yes.
your, it's how you talk, it's how you communicate with everybody. So yes. So Kanksha Didi, I think we are.
All right. आप सब लोग ने okay. Have all of you all taken a screenshot of your assignment?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so now what you have to do is everybody has to complete this assignment. आपकी जो Saturday books में है ना, आप सब लोग ने एक नया book रखा है Saturday के लिए?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. I
Okay,
have
you have to write this or complete
ma'am.
these questions in that book, write today's date and complete these questions and send pictures to your mentors. Or you can send it to us with your name. Okay, अगर आप हमें भेजोगे तो आप अपना नाम लिखोगे और फोटो भेजोगे. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, very good. Anybody has any other question? All right. Okay, Savita ma'am, could you please stop sharing screen? I'm going to take attendance once again. I'm going to take attendance once again, and I want everybody who's here to say present when I take your name.
Okay, ma'am.
Asma, 6th grade for now. Asma Shahid. I want everybody to go on mute.
Ma'am, it's not going out.
Everybody go on mute. Everybody on mute. Asma Shahid.
हाँ मैम.
Arhan. Izyan, Shabaz, Rehmat, Mubashira.
Present ma'am.
Rehmat is present, no? Okay. Noor Misbah, Noor Mahin, Nagma, Tabassum, Umaira.
Present ma'am.
Mehak B. Everybody go on mute. Simran, please go on mute. Umaira, please go on mute. Shahia. Okay. Safir, Muttabir, Rihan, Fakhruddin, Amanullah, Mujahid.
Present ma'am.
Okay. Rihan, Mehektaj, Atik, Sultan, Ayan, Hassan. Hassan was present. Simran, Ashwini, Hina.
Present, ma'am.
Ashwini is
Present, ma'am.
Okay. Aftab, Alia. Who's present? Who's present? Alia is present.
Present, ma'am.
Okay. Hina, please go on mute. Simran, go on mute. Simran, please. Who's unmute? Correct. Okay. Hussein.
Ma'am, I am mute only now.
Okay. Sorry. Salman, Furqan, Ayan, Nadia. Abdul Shahid. Hussein is present. Okay. Suhail, Wasim, Sadat, Simran.
Ma'am.
Ma'am,
Present, ma'am.
Wasim is
Present,
present.
Present.
Wasim is present. Suhail. Is Suhail present?
Present, ma'am.
That's Sultan and Sahil, no? Is this Syed
Ma'am,
Sahil?
Ma'am, no.
Sayed Sahil.
मैम
Syed
हुसैन
Sahil?
आकर है मैम.
पता है. Syed Sahil? Okay.
गई हूँ मैं स्कूल है से.
Sadat, please go on mute. Arshad, Asfia Taj. Asfia Taj.
Ma'am, my name is don't call.
Everybody on mute. Wasim, please go on mute.
Ma'am, you my name not call.
I'll call your name. 1 second. Let your name come at least.
Ma'am, Muhammad Sadat next to my name only.
Sorry, Simran, you're present now. I marked you present. Syed Sahil, Arshad, Asfia Taj.
Present.
Okay.
Present,
Alia,
ma'am, class.
Alia, Alia, Safiha, Aisha Taj, Hazira, Nesika, Asfia Banu,
Present, ma'am.
Asfia Banu, Asfia Taj is present. Okay, Asfia Banu, I said. Mehek, Khanum, Alfia, Mehek Khanum, Syed Shahid, Tasnia,
Present, ma'am.
Present, ma'am.
Chandrasekhar, Alfia. Okay. Sahil Khan, Husna Khanum,
Present, ma'am.
ma'am. Present, ma'am.
Sahil Khan.
Present, ma'am.
Okay. Mehek, Manan,
Present, ma'am.
Ume Kulsum, Arfat, Asma,
Present,
Aisha
ma'am.
Khanum,
Present,
Aisha
ma'am.
Khanum, Umez,
Present, ma'am.
Umez. Okay.
Kansha ma'am, Alia is present. She's not able to go off mute, so she wasn't able to give attendance, but she is
Okay.
present.
This is
Alia.
Alia.
She is my
Okay. All right.
yeah.
ठीक है. आप सबको आज मजा आया?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Very
All right. अभी जल्दी से सब अपना वीडियो ऑन करेंगे जल्दी और हम एक फोटो लेंगे. Is that okay? एक स्क्रीनशॉट जल्दी से लेंगे. Simran, please go on mute.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Everybody on mute. Wasim, go on mute. Okay, great. Abhi everyone's ready for a picture. All those who can put their video on, please put their video on. All right. Ready? 1. Everybody कोई pose करो, smile करो, आपको जो करना है करो.
मेरे को मुझे जल्दी.
Okay? Rihan, go on mute. 1, 2, 3. Smile, everybody. Orko sir, smile. 1, 2 and 3. Very good. Thank you.
Good job.
Okay. आप सबको मजा आया आज?
Yes, ma'am.
अभी आपको पता है, अब आपको पता है आपका फोन कैसे चलता है?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
करेक्ट. तो मतलब अपना फोन कोई अब खराब नहीं करने वाला है.
Yes.
चलो
Ma'am, stop
Alright.
the recording.
Yes, I will stop the recording. Or everybody say thank you to Savita ma'am.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, Savita ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am, for giving us
Thank you, Savita ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
For being such